Hi Bloom Skincare family. So have you had issues with your face, not having the same color, having acne, having breakouts? Well, this beautiful acne and spot corrector whitening face cream is the best thing that you have ever seen. So this face cream was formulated in our ultra whitening class, and this is sure to clear up your face of all blemishes within 7 days. Now if you're interested to learn how to make this whitening product, it's as easy as ABC, guys. Just join our ultra whitening skincare class starting 20th January for a token of 20,000 naira. Just 20,000 naira. You will learn how to make our ultra whitening set and make so much money for yourself this 2023. Okay, so this is a chance to empower yourself. This is a chance to learn a new skill. This is a chance to become your own boss. Join our ultra whitening class right now. Contact us via the WhatsApp number on your screen and let's go on this journey together. See you guys in my next video, and until then, remain blessed.